Hello and welcome to this video on Bitcoin, the world's first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has been making headlines for years, and in this video, we'll dive into what it is, how it works, and why it's become such a hot topic in the financial world. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes and recorded in a public ledger, known as the blockchain. This decentralized transaction processing provides a high level of security and eliminates the need for intermediaries such as banks. Mining, the process of adding transactions to the blockchain, is called mining. Miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems in order to add blocks to the blockchain and earn newly minted bitcoins as a reward. This reward mechanism incentivizes network participants to secure the network and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. Scarcity: Bitcoin has a finite supply of 21 million, with over 18 million already mined. This scarcity, combined with increasing demand, has contributed to Bitcoin's price appreciation over the years. So, there you have it, a brief overview of Bitcoin. It's a complex and rapidly evolving technology, and there's still much to be learned about how it will be used and adopted in the years to come. Regardless, Bitcoin has already made a significant impact on the world of finance, and it will be interesting to see where it goes from here. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.